Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this lesson, we're going to learn about four important data structures in Python: lists, sets, tuples, and dictionaries. These are ways to store multiple valuable values in one variable, but they all work differently. Let's get started. List. Lists are ordered, changeable, and allow duplicate items. For example, we can write fruits, then we write an apple in the list, a banana, and a cherry. And then we print fruits, and you can see it says apple, banana, and cherry. And we can also access items. For example, in the print, we add a 0, and when we print it, the output gives apple. You can also change a value, like we write fruit equals to fruit and 1 equals to orange. So now instead of a banana, it's orange. And then you can also add new items with fruits dot append, and we add grape, and you can remove them like fruits dot remove, and we remove apple. Lists are perfect when order matters and you want to edit the items later. Tuples look like a list, but you cannot change them. They are read only. For example, we can write colors, red, green, and blue, and then we print colors, and as you can see, print the colors. You can also access an item, like we write print color and put 1, and when we run it, it gives green. But you cannot change values, like if you say color and then 1 and equals yellow, when you run it, it gives error. We use tuples when you want data that should not change. Sets are unordered, then they do not allow duplicates and are fast for checking membership. For example, we can write numbers, we put 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. And then when we print it, it just gives us 1, 2, and 3. And where the other 3, 2, 1? Because it does not allow duplicates, that's why it doesn't print them. And you can also add items, like we put numbers that add, and we add number 4. And we can also check if something exists, like we print 3 in numbers. And if we run it, the output gives us true because there's a 3 in our set. Sets are great for storing unique values. Next, we have dictionaries. Dictionaries store data using key value pairs. For example, we can write person, and we put a name, Alice, maybe, then age, we say 16, and city, London. And you can also access the values, like we print person and the name, and if we run it, it gives us Alice. You can also change the values. We write person age equals to 17, and now instead of 16, the age is 17. And you can also add new key value pairs, like we say person school equals green high school, just a random name. You can also remove an item, like we say person dot pop, And we remove city. Dictionaries are perfect when your data has labels. Now let's make a small project that lets the user enter a name and age, and we store it in a dictionary. We make a dictionary named student. We put student name equals input, enter your name, and then we put student age, input, enter your age, and then we print student info and then student. And then I'm gonna run it, and the name, I'll write Celine, and then age, write 14. And then when I click enter, it says student info. It gives me the information. Now let's make another small project. We make a shopping list. We make a list called shopping, and then we put 4 in range 3 item equals input, add an item, and then shopping dot append item, and then print your shopping list equals shopping. And then I'm gonna run it. It says add an item. For example, I write pasta. The next one, I'll write potatoes. And the last one, I'll put maybe grapes on the last one. And then when I click enter, it says your shopping list and the items that I put them. Now like make another one with sets. We write words, then input, write some words dot split. Then we write unique words equal to set words. And then print unique words. Now let me explain what is going on in the code. The split that we write, it breaks the text into separate words, and by default it splits using spaces. And then it will store it in our set. Now I'm gonna run it, and for example, I'll write this is what a split can do. And then when I click enter, you can see it made a set. In this video, we learned about list, ordered and changeable, tuples, ordered and unchangeable, sets, unordered, and no duplicates, dictionaries, key value pairs, and some small project to practice them. In the next video, we're going to learn about functions in Python, how to create reusable code. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more videos.